Hello friends, this is YJC Power. Today I'll share with you our Powerwall lithium battery to you. This is our 51.2 volts 100 amp hour lithium battery, compatible with global mainstream brands inverter. Real-time monitoring on LCD screen. Support Taylor parallel connection up to 16 groups of 81.9 to 1 kilowatt-hour. Easily meet the electricity needs of households and small businesses. Professional BMS multiple protections. Communication compatibility CAN RS485. Ergonomic handle design ensures effortless mobility and installation. Each unit comes with a standard wall mounting bracket. Helps free up valuable floor space, making your energy storage both efficient and elegant. In unstable grid areas, it delivers the power you can rely on.